Have you ever wondered what the difference is between an electrician and an electrical engineer? While both professions revolve around the world of electricity, their roles and responsibilities are quite distinct. Electricians are the practical problem solvers of the electrical world, often handling repair and troubleshooting tasks. They're the ones who ensure your lights come on at the flick of a switch. On the other hand, electrical engineers are more focused on the design and installation of electrical systems. They're the brains behind the electrical infrastructure in buildings, cities, and even space stations. So while both work with electricity, their roles are distinct and require different skills. Now that we know their roles, let's delve into the required education and training for these professions. For electricians, the path often begins with vocational training or an apprenticeship. This hands-on experience is vital, as it equips them with practical skills to repair and troubleshoot electrical systems. Some might even choose to further their education with a certificate or associate degree. On the other hand, electrical engineers take a more academic route. A bachelor's degree in electrical engineering or a closely related field is the minimum requirement. These degree programs are intense, covering advanced mathematics, physics, and specific courses in electrical circuitry and systems design. But the learning doesn't stop there. To become fully qualified, electrical engineers may need to pass certain exams depending on their location and the specific area of engineering they wish to practice. So, becoming an electrical engineer requires formal education, while becoming an electrician is more hands-on training. So, how about earnings and job prospects? Well, let's dive in. When it comes to salaries, electrical engineers typically have the upper hand. With their specialized education and skill set, they generally command higher earnings. However, it's not all about the paycheck, is it? Let's consider job prospects. While electrical engineers might be pocketing larger sums, electricians are projected to see a higher rate of job growth. This means more opportunities. And let's face it, job security is a significant factor when choosing a career path. Additionally, the nature of an electrician's work offers a certain level of flexibility. They can work independently, start their own business, or choose to work for a company. This level of autonomy can be appealing to many. So this brings us to a fascinating crossroad. While electrical engineers might earn more, electricians may have more job opportunities. Both professions offer rewarding career paths, depending on your interests and preferences. To sum up, electrical engineers design and install electrical systems, and usually require a bachelor's degree. Electricians, on the other hand, repair and troubleshoot these systems, learning through on-the-job training or apprenticeships. While engineers typically earn higher salaries, electricians can look forward to more job opportunities. One thing is for sure, both these professions are vital cogs in the machinery of our everyday lives. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.